Nat said for parts, there's bed, a cupboard, people, chairs, and a crib. And I think that they all are forced to live with each other because they can't afford their own apartment. And I drew like they had no money, so like a money sign with the X. And I asked, how are these people chosen to be in one room, or are they family?
That's a crib, the table, the people, the closet, the door. For the questions, I said, why are they living like this? Where do they live? Like what city?
For questions, I asked how many people had to work to continue to live in that one room. Obviously, it didn't look like a lot, but maybe they still had to work really hard to just keep up with that. And I wrote how many jobs did each person need to have to continue to live in that apartment, and at what age did each kid start working. For illustrate, I do similar things. I drew a big city and a sad face because it wasn't the best living conditions. And for think, I thought that these people were immigrants who came to America poor, and bills and rent were too high in other places, so they had to live in that way. And there's junk.
And there are some dishes probably.
So the room isn't that clean.
Yeah. For the picture, I just redrew this, but I put like flies and a rat around, and I put like a lot of people. And I just made sure it was really dirty. Living spaces. Until they saved all their money.